Hello, my name is Sydney.
My name is Tabitha.
And I have some Shopkins. And we have a play set. And we got this so cool fridge at the Target. And it's a season 2 one. So we're just going to start off with the 12 packs and the 5 packs. And we found these at Target too. So my sister's going to open the 5 pack and I'm going to open the 12 pack. So let's start opening. I'll put this to the side.
I'm going to open this really hard.
Look. Oh, I got more right there.
So we'll open it later, okay?
We're going to open it for last. Before we
I got this one.
She got Tommy Ketchup, which is a common.
I got this one.
Most of the Shopkins already fell, so I just got to put them back in.
I got this one.
She got Fairy Crumbs.
In the color. And I got cheeky chocolate.
So I'm putting on my Shopkins.
Baggie.
5 baggies.
5 baggies.
And after Tabitha.
And I got this. I don't know his name.
It's Curly.
It's Curly. I got 5 bags.
And Tabitha, you can wait for me to finish because I haven't even started yet.
We have a lot.
So my first one is Graham Jam, and it's a common in the green color. It looks like in the green color. So we'll put our Shopkins there, and I'll keep my list open. And I'm going to leave my clothes. Next, we got Champy, which is a common.
The Lola one. The Lola one. I mean the Lola one.
Yeah, we already have the white one.
Yeah, we do.
We never got the yellow one.
No.
Next, Next, we got Coolio, which is a common, and the green one. We got a lot of Shopkins, but we never did a lot of videos of them.
No.
Yeah, we didn't do a lot of videos.
Because we did it because how to finish.
Whoops, so that just popped out.
Right
and
here.
My frozen one will be last. So this is Pineapple Crush.
Pineapple Crush.
And it's a common.
Sydney right here.
I know. Whoops, I just knocked all of them down.
Sorry. And we're going to do.
Okay, I'll leave Champy. Somebody else falls, I'm keeping them down. This is Lollipoppins, and it's rare. I'm still missing the green one.
And we need scissors for this.
No, we don't. I'll open it.
No, I will open it for me.
So next, this is Strawberry Kiss, which we never got it in the green. We got it in the pink.
Sydney, maybe I will get a limited edition.
This is Strawberry Kiss
In
in
the
green,
green.
and she's a rare.
And we're excited.
And I'm also going to do a Bean Boozler challenge.
Yeah, and I'm going to do...
She's going to do a lot of Loopsy Tinies.
You bumped mine down.
This is Ice Cream Dream. This is the frozen one that I got. And it's a special edition. I'm just going to say the special edition. Common, rare, ultimate special edition. Really, all of them keep falling.
And I don't.
Because we're at Atlanta at a hotel.
And at a hotel, yeah.
I want to go through. Let's get our... Okay. That just popped out. This is Chris.
Oh my God.
This is Crispy Chips, and it's a rare.
We have the blue one.
Yeah, we got the blue and green one. So that's a duplicate. And then we got Swiss Miss, which
You got the back.
you got Swiss Miss. This is a common that we're missing the pink one. That's our last one from Dairy that we're missing the pink Swiss Miss. Did you take any?
No.
Okay.
I got this.
And our last one before we open the blind bags. I'm
Uh,
trying to pop it out. It's Dollops.
Dollops.
Dollops
The purple one.
It's a common. And we already got both of them.
Yes, we did.
So I'll just take out my 4 bags.
Oh.
My sister got 5 bags.
Yeah.
Pictures
That's
from
all
the
enough.
5 bags. And now time for the blind baskets. Do you want to do it first?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't. I'm using it with my eyes.
It's it. It's disgusting to put it in your mouth.
We're trying to look for the ultra rare in this
I was
one.
going to put them.
Yeah, she'll just take
Out.
it. I don't know if you got a glitter. You did get a glittery one. Okay, I won't tell you. Let's see who she got.
Hey, we got this one.
She got the Lish Donut in the other color, which is an ultra rare. And we don't have that one. We only got the pink one.
We got it, and I'm excited.
They're both vanilla, but it has chocolate on it. So next, I'm going to do my 2. So I'm going to... Oh, there's a squared one and a round one. So I don't know which one they're going to be.
Is it going to be that one like that?
That's what I'm probably going to do when I do the Bean Boozled challenge.
And here we go.
We got Polly Polish.
We got the Polly Polish.
We got Polly Polish.
We got Polly Polish.
And our last blind bag for today.
I don't know.
Wait.
I open it.
Why do I keep...
Open it. Cindy need to open it with the scissors.
It's... Yeah, could you open it?
Oh, I can open it.
I need help. I don't know what.
Oh, we got Cookie.
We
We
got
got Cookie. That's a duplicate. Yeah, wait now. Now let's
So
knock.
these are all the Shopkins we today. We got Cookie. We got Polly Polish. We got Delish Donut. We got Dollops. We got Swiss Miss. We got Crispy Chip. We got Ice Cream Dream. We got Strawberry Kiss. We got Lollipoppin', and we got Pineapple Crush. We got Coolio. We got Champy. Let's move these bags over here.
Hey. Oh,
We got Graham Jam. We got Tommy Ketchup. We got Fairy Crumbs. Like you can't see Fairy Crumbs. Fairy Crumbs, Cheeky Chocolate, and Curly. So, oh, and I totally forgot about the fridge. Now we're gonna open the So Cool fridge. So we found this at Target.
in the Target.
And we found it like where, you know how, like, we just found it in the middle and we were just looking through it to see if we can find any. And we found this.
And we found that. We found two. And we're not going to buy it.
So let's get it out.
Let's get out.
So it comes with this.
And I don't want
That's all
it.
the plastic that it comes with.
We don't want it. Here you go. The So Cool fridge.
I'm trying to rip this thing out.
Rip it.
There's rubber bands out of here that are just attached to this thing.
I broke that one.
Okay.
You put
Did you break this?
Yeah.
Okay, break it. Okay. You can move it. I'm going to try to get out the bags that come with it. This is what the So Cool fridge looks like out of its box. I haven't took everything out, so we're just going to take everything out. So I'm going to start with the 6 mini Shopkins. I hope none of them pop out because they're so tiny. Because, like, you know how eggs fall and break? They're googly. They're googly. One portion fell out. I'll show you the, what they look like. Just gotta take all the stuff off. And then this. I'm gonna take all
this is a lot of things.
I'm gonna take out all the eggs that look like they're gonna fall out. So, I can't take this out. Okay, I broke it. No, I didn't. I thought I did.
We got out.
Egg.
You can give it that.
And the other two fell out, and take that part out where the trash is. So let me show you the first one. This is the first egg. It's cute. And I thought they were pencil toppers. This is another little egg. This is another little egg. They're cute. Here's another little egg. I finished fridge, and I put not all of them, but some stickers on here. And bye! See you in my next video.